Good medical morning. This is Adam from World's Greatest Medical. Have you noticed that there are a lot of cool medical channels disappearing from YouTube? Russ Hamstring, George and Joy, Karma, all your favorite blackhead channels are just gone. Even Sandra Lee had to remove a lot of video, make PG thumbnails, and do a lot of talking head content like this. We talked with YouTube officials and they said they are demonetizing all medical channels, which removes the incentive for creators to make new content. They also said they're deleting channels that have graphic, pimple popping clips like this. It's ironic when you think about it because pimple popping is becoming more mainstream. Dr. Sandra Lee just got her own TV show, and The Doctors features our clips all the time. We decided to keep this channel up and running as long as YouTube keeps us online, and as long as you keep supporting us. In the meantime, we want you to check out our Facebook page. It's going to be the home of our most uncensored clips, and we're going to post new videos on there 5 times a day. The link below will take you to the best popping videos and fun medical videos that YouTube wants taken off their platform. So click that link below and subscribe for new videos several times a day. And stick around here because we're going to be bringing you some really neat content. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.